Forget everything you thought you knew about mushrooms, because these humble fungi, they're quietly at the heart of a revolution that's reshaping our world. And you might not even realize it yet. Let me introduce you to the real hero in this story, mycelium. Imagine a vast underground network of tiny threads, connecting nearly every plant and tree on Earth. Scientists call it the Wood Wide Web. It's nature's own internet, sharing nutrients, sending warnings, and keeping the whole ecosystem in balance. Mushrooms don't just pop up in the forest after rain. They're running the show behind the scenes, recycling dead matter, and even helping forests heal themselves. It's only now that we're starting to tap into what these networks can really do. And that's where things get wild. Companies like MycoWorks and Ecovative, they're using mycelium to literally grow things, from packing materials to vegan leather. Picture this: no more plastic foam, no more animal leather. Instead, we've got packaging that biodegrades in your compost bin, or sneakers grown from fungi. These materials are strong, lightweight, fire-resistant, and totally renewable. Architects are even experimenting with buildings made out of mycelium, structures that can heal themselves and decompose when we're done with them. We're not just building with nature anymore. We're building as nature. But mushrooms aren't just about building the future. They're helping us clean up the past. There's a process called mycoremediation, where certain fungi break down toxic waste, oil spills, even radioactive material. In some real-world tests, oyster mushrooms cleaned up oil-soaked soil faster and safer than chemicals. Imagine a world where mushrooms detoxify our oceans, recycle plastic, and bring dead soil back to life. That's not science fiction. That's science, right now. And it goes even further. NASA is researching how to grow mycelium habitats on Mars. Lightweight, self-repairing shelters astronauts could just grow when they land. Designers are crafting mushroom-based textiles, furniture, even fashion. Biotech startups are programming fungi to make clean fuel, new medicines, and meat alternatives. Nature's code, rewritten for the challenges of today. So, what if the answer to pollution, waste, and sustainability isn't some new invention, but something that's been right beneath our feet all along? The more I learn about fungi, the more I realize they're not just part of nature. They are nature's ultimate engineers. The mushroom revolution is happening, and it's growing faster than anyone ever expected. If that blew your mind, hit like, subscribe, and join me as we keep exploring the science that's shaping our future. Stay curious, and I'll see you in the next one.